Now just calm down.
Oh, are y'all ready for story time? Yay! Our story of the day is No Baby Coming, No Baby Here, written by Sheryl Smiley-Oliphant. Busy, come on, Busy. Oh, I can't wait. Everyone say, hi, Busy. Busy. Oh, I can't wait to read this story. Here we go. No baby coming, no baby near. Been looking forward to this all year. Whoa! No baby coming, no baby near. Mommy and Daddy rush with fear. Whoa! Busy, we ain't a new baby, but come on, it's time for story time. Let's get it. New baby coming, no baby near. Baby came sooner. The baby's here. Whoa! Look at that car right there. Look at that new baby and that beautiful family. Let's keep the rhyme going. New baby here. No baby Claire. She's a bundle, a sweet little dear. Whoa! Everyone say hi, Claire. Busy. Make sure you say hi to Claire too. Gosh, here we go. New baby there. No baby there. We must make sure she's handled with care. Hey, I love this story. Busy, you like this story too? Yeah. No baby Claire. No baby here. We share a bond that's rarer than rare. Whoa. It's so important to have a bond with your mother and father. Yeah, my little ones. No baby care. No baby here. Sounds of crying. Fills the air. Yeah. Busy. No more crying from you, man. You're big enough already. He already buzzing. Uh-oh. No baby there. No baby here. Oh no. She can't have my bear. No. It's important to share my siblings. Yeah. No baby Claire. No baby there. I love the new baby. And so I will share. Yeah. Sharing is so important, my little ones. And Busy, are you going to share with me with your snacks? Good job. I love Busy. New baby there. No baby here. She pulling my hair. She's pulling my ears. Whoa. Oh, I love that sibling love. No baby there. No baby here. She gets all the attention. It's not fair. No. Busy, everybody knows you get all the attention. Gosh, sharing is caring. No baby there. No baby here. She destroys everything. She ain't my bear. Oh. No baby care. No baby here. Our home is now filled with blissful cheer. Busy, are you gonna cheer too? Yeah. No baby there. No baby here. Our baby has now turned 1 this year. No baby Claire. No baby there. Our lives are complete. Now you are here. Whoa. Claire's having a blast. Yeah, just like you, Busy. Just like you. Thank you, author Sheryl Smiley-Oliphant. Thank you so much. The end.